July 2010, and we've just boarded one of the Temsco Euro helicopters, and we're about to fly out to the glacier. Just airborne and departing the airport and starting to fly up the fjord. You can see the other two helis up ahead of us there. Cruised at about 1,500 feet above the level of the water here, all the way up to the glacier. You can see the ship there on the port side as we just climbing out. Very overcast day, and it's typical this sort of weather in July in Alaska. Very cold, always seems to be overcast. Occasionally you see the sun. All of a sudden the aircraft turns to port, flying up this very hidden valley from the area you're flying in, and very rough, rugged terrain at the glacier appears ahead of you. Beautiful deep blue colours reflecting from the ice as you fly up. As you can see, it's raining in the area, so you can see the rain on the windscreen there. And here we are on the glacier. It's very, very quiet. It's eerily quiet. That's the furthest north we've flowing water from the melting glacier ice. It's absolutely pure and it's the sweetest water you've ever tasted. Here we are getting back underway, make our way back to Skagway. Yes, we have liftoff. Flying back up the valley away from the glacier, you can see the two other helicopters in front of us. A bit further ahead on that flat land you can see up there we saw a moose, but we didn't have the camera ready to get the footage for you. Some of these scenes get a little bit shaky. We're just hand holding the camera at this point, so we apologise for the camera shake. doing as much stabilisation as we possibly can, but it's not working as well as we'd like. And you can see the Sea Princess there, our ship, as we're flying back in. Township of Skagway, and we turn to port to bring ourselves over the airport and the helipad. Touchdown. Please rate and comment. Thank you for watching our video.